Alright, YouTube, this is my f-150 V6 XL 4.2 liter 5-speed truck. It's got the 5-speed transmission, and I got an eBay intake. Show you the eBay intake. The eBay intake. I also keep the engine clean. It's a 2001 model with only 77,000 miles on it. Tinted windows too. New truck bed. And the reason why we're doing this video is I got the bolt-on magnaflow turn down exhaust, single in, single out. I didn't want to do a dual out because these trucks tend to not sound good with dual exhaust, so I went with the single out instead. And let me back the camera away a little bit because I don't want it to sound too loud, too close. So we're gonna go about right here, I would say. Let's try it right here. Alright, let's do a close-up now. Well, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think. Thank you.